That song. I'll be honest. I reached the point where I was almost tired of singing this song, but then I reached the point recently that I was like, you know, I'll be singing this song forever. And I'll always be grateful for that song. And I'm starting this new chapter in my career. Bagong bago, I mean, this is very different from what I usually do. It's very different from Dahil Sa'yo. So now I want to welcome you guys to the trilogy, the Heartbreak Trilogy. I'll be singing 1, 2, 3 for the very first time. And I just want to get thanks to everyone that's been a part of this whole journey, this whole project. I know it's been tough. Wala ako dito sa Pinas, so medyo naging mahirap yung pag-release namin ito, you know, being able to do this. Actually, it's perfect timing. Nandito ako ngayon sa Pinas and sobrang rushed. It was rushed. If you guys don't even know, like we rushed everything just to make sure that we're able to do this. And without you guys being here tonight, this wouldn't be possible. So I just wanna thank you all. Very first song. Okay, kakantayin ko na. Before I sing the next song, I wanna tell you guys the story behind the trilogy. Kinakabahan akong ikwento itong story na ito kasi I was happy when I wrote these 3 songs. Don't get me wrong, I know it's a heartbreak trilogy, but let's just say na may mga bagay na pagdadaanan mo, may mga bagay na rin na maririnig mo, and it all just comes together, and somehow you're able to create these songs. And minsan for me at least, mas maayos kung nasusulat yung mga bagay na masakit pag okay na ako. Pag masaya na ako. Kasi minsan parang feeling ko si Moira, sabi ni Moira, nakikita kita. So meaning, mas masakit pag ginagdadaanan ba? No, for me, I think my experience with these 3 songs, I was actually in a good space. I was in a good headspace, you know, and then I created these 3 songs. I just happened to be in that creative space, and I wrote these 3 songs in 2 days. Ate Kares, my handler from Cornerstone, was actually there, like 24/7 as when I was writing these 3 songs. The first song, ito yung parte ng Heartbreak Trilogy. It's the phases of a breakup. Yung first song, it still sounds happy, right? It still sounds like it's upbeat, medyo okay pa yung relationship. Kailangan mo lang ng reassurance na basta talagang tayo, I'm good. The next song, ito na yung meron ng hindi tama yung nangyayari. Parang alam mo na hindi ka na sinasama, hindi ka na pinakikilala, hindi ka na... Ito yung andyan ka pa pero parang hindi ka na niya nakikita. I'm sure marami na nakaka-relate dito. This one is called Kahit Di Mo Ako Nakikita. Hey! So far guys, anong gusto niyo? Yung muna o yung pangalawa? Ako? No, but let's hear it from you guys in the front. Anong mas gusto niyo? Yung first o yung second? Yung pangalawa? Yung mas masakit? Mas nakaka-relate ba kayo doon? Parang may nakaka-relate dito. It's weird, actually, dati, this was my favorite. Nung sa tatlo, yung pinaka-favorite. But feeling ko, ito yung ano yun, I think each song has its own line that is very hurtful. Yung sa unang kanta, yung iniisip ko yung lyrics eh. Basta meron lyrics every song. Mamaya na nga. But before I do this next song, I just want to do my thank yous, proper thank yous. Where is it? There it is. Of course, I want to thank from the regional office of Universal Music Group, all the way from Singapore. Thank you guys so much for being here. Charmaine and Chelsea, it's an honor to have you guys here. Thank you so much for being here tonight. And then, wait now. I want to, of course, thank Gab Tagantad. Guys, Gab Tagantad. This was a reunion project for me and Gab. He worked on Dahil Sa'yo with me. He wrote the rap part of Dahil Sa'yo. One of the best parts of that song. Actually, I think it is the best part of that song. Gab Tagantad. Kuya Gab, saan ka? Saan si Gab? Ayan o, ayan. And then we worked on these 3 songs. Can I just say, Kuya Gab, man, this guy, all I needed to tell him was the simplest instructions on how I wanted the songs to sound. And as a songwriter, it's very crucial. Sobrang importante na makausap ka ng producer na naiintindihan yung vision mo dun sa kanta mo. And if you guys listen to the songs carefully, may mga instructions. Sinabi ko kay Gab, ito yung gusto ko, parang yung okay lang ako, parang nire-replay ko yung relationship bago mag-start yung kanta. Tapos naglagay siya ng small detail na parang naglagay ng cassette tape. Sabi ko, genius. And he got everything that I usually don't finish my songs before going to the studio. A lot of times when I go to the studio, a verse or a bridge is empty. And so thank you so much, Kuya Gab, for helping me out. He actually helped me out so much on these 3 songs. As in, sobra. And this is our reunion project. Hopefully we get this as big and bigger than that, so you know, more success for these 3 songs. And of course, Republic Records, fam. Thank you guys so much. I see you. Thank you so much for being here. Everyone who's here. What I'm saying, guys, everything that we've done for this show tonight, everything was rushed, and you guys don't even know, like, the amount of work and the amount of preparation that we had to do in such a short amount of time is insane. Love these. So, quick trivia, sabi ko sa kanila, I was on live when the song came out. Sabi ko, lagay tayo ng team, Runaway Bride tsaka Runaway Groom. So yan, if you guys are wondering why they all look like brides right now, that's the theme that I gave them. And actually, before I sing my last song, I want to pick 2 winners. I promise them I'll give them a hoodie, one of my hoodies. And of course, our press and media, bloggers and TikTok creators. Thank you guys so much for being here, my family, my friends. Thank you. And Star Magic fam, thank you for being here. Kate Tessa, ito ba masyado? Balis na, no? Kate Shirley. Ay, nako. And of course, we have the band! On drums, we have Rix and Ruiz. On bass, we have Oman Peradilla. You know. And on guitars, we have Migs Reyes. And of course, on keyboards, and musical director, makaka-birthday lang, Sir Ivan Lee Espinosa. Happy birthday. Again, this was rushed. We rehearsed 2 days ago. But they were so amazing. And ngayon, bago ko gawin to, I'm gonna pick the winners for the... And... Sorry. I'm not gonna pick the winners yet. Bakit mo nakalimutan yun? Cornerstone! My Cornerstone family, you guys, it's an honor. Honor. Sorry, joke ko kasi yung honor na nadala ko tuloy dito sa stage. It's an honor to have si Eric Raimundo, Miss Cynthia Romer, Ma'am Merla, Team Palawi. Maraming salamat. And sa lahat ng artists ng Cornerstone. I also see J-Dogs, of course, from Republic. Marcus Patterson is here. We have YML, we have Eli. I can't see everything, but salamat. Vision, also, Vision is here. Thanks to all my friends and family that's here tonight. And I see so many familiar faces. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking now. Alright, let's call the winners. We have... I actually wasn't able to see you guys, but I want to see you guys later how you guys dressed yourself. But I asked for help. We have Joanna Pusing and si Ace. So we'll give them the hoodies. So why don't I just give it to them? And congrats! Actually, tignan natin yung suot nila. Halika kayo dito. Try kasi mga best. Ba't kayo galit? So yan guys. Ang ating mga runaway brides. Sa live ko lang yun, pinagtripan ko lang sila sa live. Sabi ko, punta kayo sa launch ng naka-runaway bride. Mag-model ka naman. Saan ka pupunta? nakahubad lang ako dito. Yung ano, there it is. Okay, pakipalights pa ito sa isa. Thank you sa ating mga brides. Mami Michelle, oh. Okay, last song! This song, ito siguro yung nagpaiyak sa akin sa studio, recording this song. In a lot of aspects, I feel like a lot of people can relate to this, not necessarily in a romantic way. Ang daming bagay na pinagdadaanan, challenges, you know, all the things that you can go through in life. And this song, I wrote these 3 songs not thinking about how many streams or how many listeners or fans that are going to be able to listen to it. I wrote these 3 songs knowing that there are people out there that need to hear this song. And so, para sa mga taong kailangan itong mga kantang to, sana pagustuhan nyo at mahanap nyo peace and healing. And no matter how many times you say, okay lang ako, magiging okay ka lang. Magiging okay ka din at some point.